So today we're gonna be making a freestyle sundubu jjigae. First of all, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications because it's all free. And let's get started. We're gonna be needing a 450 ml water into a pot. It's like a Korean pot, but if you don't have it, just leave it out. And turn on the heat until the medium one. Once you get bubbles on your pot, at the edge of the pot, you need to add 2 tablespoons of gochujang inside the pot. Stir it for a while just until the gochujang has all melted down. Once simmer, you can add 2 until 3 tablespoons of gochugaru, and it all depends on your thickness of the soup you want to in your sundubu jjigae. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic because it will make your soup taste more flavorful. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil inside. Add another 2 teaspoons of fish oil inside. And now it's time for us to plug in all the toppings you got. The first topping I would like to plug inside is mushroom. Oops, needed to adjust my focus a bit. Secondly, I add my white tofu just because I feel like having it. And for the meat, I have picked a Samgyeopsal just because I like the chewiness inside. Trust me, this smells amazing. I'd like to add a fresh kimchi and all the remaining sauce because it will be more flavorful. Go ahead and continue stirring. Don't forget to taste it just to make sure all the flavors got a place for themselves. At the end, don't forget to crack an egg inside and leave for about 30 seconds. And turn off the heat. little bit of this amazing jjigae. For serving, you can just tuck the pot above the tray you got when you buy those two. It comes with a package, and be careful when you transfer the pot to the tray because it's tremendously hot. And lastly, you can serve the jjigae with the white rice you cooked before, and you can eat it just any time of the day because rain and jjigae would never go wrong. Bye!